Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to make rules for your design catalog units so that they behave the way you want them to. One thing you'll notice within each catalog is it shows all the rooms and the name of each room that is included within your collection of model groups. Now, within each of these model group elements, you'll also see exact areas. For example, the 2-bedroom is 940 square feet, and you'll see the exact unit classification for this design catalog element. Now, you can always go in and alter this classification for your metric tracking within your project, or a pro tip is if you do not see the exact desired classification, you can always go in and create your own custom classification within your Skema catalog space and then just apply it to a design catalog element. Now, another thing we can go in and do is create specific morphing rules for one of our design catalog elements. So I can go in and create fixed dimensions for, let's say, my bathrooms within my 3-bedroom unit. And I can simply just do that by drawing in specific dimensions on the walls. And then I can go in and even place minimums and maximums. So once I create these rules, it determines what rooms can stretch and what rooms need to stay fixed or have minimums and maximums. Now, one nice thing about having these rules and having these fixed dimensions is that other people on my team can use them too. All I need to do once I've placed all my rules within my units, once I've made sure everything is clear, is just hit the publish button, and then every user in my workspace can utilize these catalog elements with these exact rules applied. And then everyone will be working with the same design catalog to create brand new projects.